How's it going, detailing fans? We're here to update you again with the summer releases at Detailing World, and we got a lot of stuff here, as you can see. The first thing that we love that we brought in is car candy. Car candy absolutely is one of the best products when it comes to high dilution ratios for low cost, and this stuff really works. And we brought pretty much all of their selection in. As you can see here, we have Burst, we have Interior Magic, we got the Chocolate Thunder, which is one of the best wheel cleaners that we found in our experience. We also have the Impeccable Interior. We have Bubblicious, which is their car soap, phenomenal in a foam cannon. We also have the Super Hot Tamale, which is a heavy industrial degreaser. So if you guys are working on big rigs or just really dirty stuff, it's a killer product, and again, highly dilutable. We have the Tropical Tread, which is their water-based tire dressing, as well as the Hydro X, which is their quick detailer, and again, Bubblicious, which comes in several different sizes. All of the sizes, you got 32, gallon and 5 gallon. So if you guys are going through a ton of stuff, the 5 gallon is great for that. Another cool product that we got in from yours truly, Detailing World, is the Clean Slate. This product is a first of its kind. It is the first touchless car wash. Basically what that means is you foam cannon it onto the surface, and the cleaners in this, which is a mixture of acid and degreasers, will immediately go into contact with the dirt, dissolving it and lifting it from the surface. So primarily it becomes touch-free. Do not need a wash mitt at that point. And we have used it on wheels as well, so it is killer with destroying brake dust and other things of that nature. So definitely check this product out. Works killer in a foam cannon too, and very cost effective. Also, we got in some more smelly things from 3D. The scents are pretty cool. We got a bunch of different ones. Here's New Car Scent. We got the Chillin' Cherry. We got the Extreme Ice, which is similar to Black Ice, and then of course Strawberry. And these are longer lasting than what I've experienced in my history with, interior scents. They do last much longer than what we're used to. Also, we brought in from Maxshine a fully encompassed set of brushes. So they have a lot of different choices here between body brushes, smaller interior brushes, as well as wheel face brushes. And then another cool thing that they got is the wash mitt, which, well, you got your thumb free, right? So there's a lot of wash mitts you put on and your thumb's not free, so it's kind of hard to do certain things with cleaning the face of the wheels. But this one does have a thumb built into it, so you can kind of get in all the nooks and crannies. And if you want to get into any even more fine detail, this is a wash mitt glove, and this has all 5 fingers free so that you can kind of get in to the wheels and the face of the wheels, depending on the spoke pattern. It can be a little challenging using a standard wash mitt. They also gave us a essential detailing brush kit, which are all boar's hair. All right, so they're very soft. They're great for cleaning interior stuff like the piano black, console, your cup holders, etc., without scratching the surface, and that's very important to us here at Detailing World. Lastly, we have the Barjack system, and this is by far one of the best tools that we've brought in. We're very happy with this product. Our customers are very happy with this product, and the reason is that, compared to the leading brand, of course, it's much less expensive. It still has the 1-year warranty, and they do have a repair option as well. So if you have a situation with a tool because you're high volume and you're running it all day long for every day, they do have a 1-year warranty, and they will replace the tool for you here at Detailing World. One of the cool features, well, several cool features that I found with this tool is first the cord, right? So the cord is on a swivel. So this is usually a point of contact that breaks, right? This is usually where the wire itself is going to tend to break when you wrap it up, or it's just constantly bouncing around. Another thing is too, it's great for lefties or righties. You have the variable speed trigger effective from both sides, right? So you can hit it from either way. Another thing I like too is one of the main things that goes wrong with most tools today is the brushes kind of die out and fail. But this one here, not only does it come with some brushes, but they're easily accessible. Right here, within 3 to 5 minutes, you can remove this panel here, plug and play your new brush, and at that point, everything should be good to go. One of the other features that I like here is on this backing plate, there's actually air scoops along the side. So as this thing spins, it takes in air and inducts the air right into the backing plate, which is of course going to cool the pad. And we all know that running cool pads is going to extend the life of them, as well as helps with paint correction. You do not want the surface to get too hot. So those are a couple things that we got into Detailing World. Oh, I forgot to mention too, this Barjack tool does come with your set of pads here, right? So there's 4 pads in this box, from a wool cut all the way down to a finishing polish foam pad, and it all comes in this box here. So Anyways, we got a lot of stuff going on here at Detailing World, so definitely come check out the store or go online at your local store or your local website, and you can check out some of these great products. Thanks for watching.